I still remember those days. My phone never stayed silent. Every morning, I woke up to dozens of messages. Bro, where are you? Come outside. Let's hang out tonight. I was never alone. At school, college, everywhere. I always had people around me. We laughed together, took photos together, made promises that we would always stay friends. And honestly, I believed them. But life changes quietly. One by one, everyone became busy. Some found new friends. Some moved away. Some only remembered me when they needed help. At first, I thought it was normal. I kept texting first. I kept trying to hold the friendships together. But slowly, I noticed something painful. If I stopped messaging, nobody texted me back. One day, I looked at my phone for hours. No calls, no messages, no, how are you? That was the moment I realized I was alone. Now I spend most nights by myself. Sometimes I scroll through old photos and smile for a second, then feel empty again. The saddest part is not losing friends. The saddest part is realizing you were never as important to them as they were to you. Still, I'm learning to live alone. And maybe one day I'll find people who truly stay.